Difference between video capture read and grab. I'm not doing nothing in particular, but I'm reading the opencv documentation and I can't understand the difference between the method read and grab from the video capture. Hear this what they do. Grab. The method/functions grab the next frame from video file or camera and return true, non-zero, in the case of success. Read. Decodes and returns the next video frame. In the to method extract the next frame. What is the difference? Link to the documentation.
There's a subtle yet significant difference that becomes more obvious when taking a closer look at the documentation for each of the two methods. Grab only gets the image from the camera and holds it for further processing. The method/functions grab the next frame from video file or camera and return true, non-zero. In the case of success, you call video capture column grab for each camera, and after that call the slower method video capture column retrieve to decode and get frame from each camera. In this case, you still have to retrieve the frame, i.e. decode and get, from opencv so that you can work with it. Grab only returns a boolean that indicates whether opencv was able to get the frame from the camera. The return parameter in this case is not the frame. Read combines both grab and retrieve operations into one command and returns the already decoded frame. The method/functions combine video capture column grab and video capture column retrieve in one call. This is the most convenient method for reading video files or capturing data from decode and return the just grabbed frame. If no frames has been grabbed, camera has been disconnected, or there are no more frames in video file, the methods return false and the functions return null pointer. This method returns the actual frame back to your application so you don't have to worry about checking the boolean parameter and writing an additional line of code to get the frame back by opencv. Depending on your application, it may be easier to just use read, as it will likely save you 1 or 2 lines of code.
Adding some info on accepted answer. Also reading from opencv documentation. You should use grab if you need to synchronize images from different devices and don't have triggers connecting cameras. Grab takes less time than read, so you should grab all devices. Reading times would be closer, and then retrieve each frame later. Again, this is useful if you need your feed synchronized. For applications like a custom-made stereo camera,